The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no talking, no smoking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a leveled surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Shamika Whitfield?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if you could turn on your camera for me, please.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Shamika Whitfield. This is ticket number SP 1374472. One count drove while unlicensed. Ticket SP 1374471. Count 1, expired plates. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, P55052 on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, would you state your full name for the record, please?
Shamika Whitfield.
All right, how are we proceeding, counsel?
Judge, these matters are set for trial. The defendant is going to waive her right to any trial. She's been advised, and there's a plea agreement that she would plea on the driving with no license offense to failure to display a valid license. That's 0 points. She's going to make a factual basis here and now.
All right. And the other two counsel we dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor. I stipulate the probable cause for the dismissals. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, ma'am, if you could raise your right hand for me, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. Whitfield, did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, ma'am. I want to take your attention back to the date of July 21st of 2022. Ma'am, were you driving a Ford vehicle in the area of Grand River and West Canfield Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And were you driving that vehicle while you were unlicensed, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
The court is satisfied as well and will enter a plea to the amended charge of fail to display. The remaining 2 tickets will be dismissed. Ma'am, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
Your Honor, would you consider a community service sentence here?
Man, she's not real enthused today in court though.
Yeah.
I will, I'll do, let's see. Bro. 25 hours of community service in lieu of cost and fine. All right. So, ma'am, I'm gonna have you call the number when we get off, and I'm gonna give you some time to complete this community service, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna tell you right now, though, you're probably gonna have some reinstatement fees. Those can't be done in community service. You have to pay those, okay? Just so you know.
Okay.
Probably just one, though. Probably just one. And that's $45.
Okay.
So the number I'm gonna give you is 313.
Second.
Okay.
313
965
965
8130. That's
I
Miss
got it.
Green. She'll get you hooked up with some community service, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna give you 60 days to complete that, because it's not that many hours, okay?
Okay.
All right, so you'll see me for a review, just to make sure you complete it on July 3rd, 2023, okay?
Okay.
At 8:45 a.m., okay?
Okay.
All right, Miss, good luck to you, Miss Whitfield, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
I will, thank you.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Attorney Robinson. We've been calling for you.
Oh,
We did.
here I am.
All right, you have, what's the matter that you have up today? What is it up for?
Kenyon Wilson, it's, I don't know, a final pretrial. And I talked to Ms. Schneider, Attorney Schneider, and I think there's a dismissal. I sent her docs, so.
All right. Didn't send me anything, but okay. You seen his valid docs and everything?
Yes, I don't know if he picked up any new case, but I'm speaking to registration insurance only.
Registration and insurance. So you register his vehicles, because what I have is no insurance, I have improper plates, which is the registration of the vehicle, no valid registration certificate, no proof of insurance. He did all that?
Yes,
Okay, all right, let me bring them out. He's not responding.
I'll call him.
Okay. Let me get a couple more folks out here while you're doing that. I'm gonna do Antonio Wyndham in the meantime. if I can. Antonio Wyndham?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes, okay, I'm gonna call your matter, okay?
okay.
The officer present. Thank you so much. Now calling the matters of the people versus Antonio Wyndham. This is ticket number 124000602. Count 1, unregistered motor vehicle. Count 2, drove while unlicensed. Ticket number 124000602. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Count 2 of that ticket is drove while unlicensed. Ticket number 124515191, count no operator's license permit. Ticket number SP 1159813, count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, drive unregistered motor vehicle. Ticket number Z802729. This is 1 count violation of the Controlled Substance Code. Also calling U ticket 248-70515, count 1, entering without owner's permission. Ticket number SP 802190, count 2, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Ticket SX 28-31673, count 1, reckless driving. Count 2, no operator's license or multiple operators license on person. Ticket SX 865667, count 1, drove while license suspended, denied, or revoked. Ticket number U 627222010, 1 count, entering without owner's permission. Ticket number 104184002, 1 count, no operator's license on person. And ticket number 476896, count 2, unregistered motor vehicle. Today is the date time set for a bench trial in all of these matters. Appearances for the record, starting with House Counsel Baughman, please.
May it please the court, Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant, sir. Mr. Wyndham, please state your full name for the record.
Antonio Jarrell Wyndham.
And that any officers present would name themselves and their badge number 1 at a time, please.
Officer Lyman, this is you.
Yes, good morning. Sergeant Charles Lynham, badge number S1482.
Also have Officer Beth Hudson, who's not responding to my call. Officer Corporal McCree.
Corporal Jamie McCree, badge 2865.
we would acknowledge the presence of Officer Yvette Hudson, excuse me, for the purpose of trial. The defendant is, in those cases where officers are present, going to waive his right to any further hearings of trials. He's been advised, Your Honor, he's going to make a factual basis that on the case ending in 8131, wherein the defendant is charged with driving while license suspended, the defendant would plead guilty to the reduced charge of failing to display a valid driver's license. That's a 0-point offense. Additionally, in the case ending in 5191, wherein the defendant is charged with driving without a proper license, that the defendant would here be pleading to failure to display a valid driver's license. The other charges that are being brought against the defendant would be dismissed here on my stipulation to probable cause, either by agreement or by way of no complaining witness, Your Honor.
Sir, you want to take advantage of that offer today?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir. I'm first going to take you back to the date of, let's do this one, March 18th of 2021. At that time, sir, were you driving a Mercedes vehicle in the area of Fairport and Pinewood Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you're driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at the time?
Yes.
All right. Also want to take your attention back to the date of February 19th of 2012. At that time, sir, were you driving a Ford vehicle in the area of Kelly and Seymour in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you're driving that vehicle, did you not have an operator's license on your person that day?
No.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulate. Thank you.
So at this time, the court's going to enter in two pleas to fail to display on both of these counts. The remaining counts called on this record today will be dismissed. The ones for officers present will be dismissed for that reason. The ones for officers not
Officer Hudson is there.
Officer Hudson. She just
Yes.
gonna start talking while I'm in the middle of the court.
I was here.
I know, I said your name on it. I said your name on the record. You weren't here. You weren't responding when I was calling for you in the other room. So we went ahead and went on it. I put your name on the record though, okay?
Oh, okay. Sorry. I'm cool with everything. I'm sorry.
All right. All right, Mr. Winham.
Yes,
My
ma'am.
fine is $200 per ticket, okay? I know you're gonna have
Okay.
a ton of reinstatement fines and costs, but you're gonna have to pay $200 per ticket on these and then deal with that, okay?
Okay.
All right, how long do you need? I'm gonna give you minimally 60 days. Do you need more than 60 days to pay that $400? It's gonna be 400 total.
No, ma'am.
Okay, all right, I'll give you until July 3rd, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, July 3rd, and then like, if you have a lot of reinstatement fees, take your time. You trying to get your license back, sir?
Yes.
Okay, good luck to you, okay? Take care of
Okay.
this stuff so you can try and get your license, okay?
Okay. Can I ask you a question?
Yes, you can.
After I pay the $400, like when I do that, what happens next? Do I got to come back to court?
So, no, so pay the $400. You have until July 3rd to pay that $400. But come down here if you can, because you want to make sure, you may owe some stuff called reinstatement fees. And
Yes.
you may have some civil infractions out there. You want to make sure you take care of all those costs so that you can be able to apply for your license. Once you pay for everything here, then they'll send it over to them, letting them know that you took care of everything at 36. And then you'll be able to apply. Now, I don't know how long. I don't know if they're gonna have a waiting period because you ain't had your license and stuff like that. But
Right.
they'll let you know. They'll give you the information at the Secretary of State's office. So make an appointment with them, okay?
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, good luck to you, okay, sir? Thank you for coming to handle these, okay?
Okay, you're welcome. Appreciate you.
All right, no problem. Same here, okay, sir?
Okay.
All right, officers, all of you, please take care and be safe out there, with the exception of, yep, Corporal McCree, we handle both of your matters too, right? I think so. All right, Officer Hudson, Sergeant Layman, and Corporal McCree, be safe out there, please, okay?
You too. Thank you.
I will, thank you.
Say, Judge, it's Corporal McCree, Shamika Whitfield.
Yeah, we handled hers too. You came in like on the tail end of it. She pled guilty to fail to display.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. All right, Kenyon Wilson, you can unmute yourself. You know how to do that, sir? Let me ask you to unmute. Not you, Mr. Winham, you're all set. You can sign off, okay?
Okay, thank you. I can leave.
All right, yep, Mr. Wilson, I'm gonna do you next. Yep, Mr. Winham, you're all set. We'll see you
Okay,
later,
thank
okay?
Okay.
You're welcome. Bye-bye. All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Kenyon Jamal Wilson. This is ticket SP 1235624. Count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1371143. Count one, improper plate. Count two, no proof of insurance. Count three, no valid registration certificate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson, P63181, appearing on behalf of Mr. Kenyon Wilson, who's present.
Mr. Wilson, can you state your name for the record, please?
Kenyon Wilson.
All right, counsel, how are we proceeding today?
Judge, I'm asking, I did speak via email with Prosecutor Schneider, who indicated by email that the matters would be dismissed for compliance. I did forward documentation to Attorney Schneider today.
All right, being an officer of the court, having now seen valid documentation, the court's going to grant your request. We want to dismiss these matters without prejudice. You're all set, okay, sir?
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Welcome. Uh-oh. I left Corporal Davis in there too. Hold on a minute. We're gonna move Corporal Davis too. Did I remove him by accident? Lord. No, I just need to. All right, here we go. Juan Davis, I'm so sorry.
That's okay.
You're all set, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Let me make sure I have you. You separate. You got Juan Davis to it. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. He pled guilty to a couple of counts, and we dismiss the rest. Okay.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. All right. Bye, Corporal. Be safe out there.
Okay,
Bye.
thank you. You too.
I will. Attorney Baldwin, is there any order you want me to go in, or are we good on the rest of the people? I tried to get all the officers out of here.
No, we're okay. We're on everything in any order, Your Honor. Thank you.
I know Mr. Weeks, you still need to get an officer because Officer Hill was here, but I'll do everybody but Mr. Weeks, okay?
Okay.
All right. Darrell Wilson?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Darrell Wilson. This is ticket SP 1401160. Count one, expired plate. Count two, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Count three, no proof of insurance. Ticket number SP 1401250. Count one, driver's license never acquired. Also in warrant status, Mr. Boffman, I don't know if you knew about this. He has tickets number 12451123. Count two, unregistered motor vehicle. Ticket 523512. This is one count, no valid operator's license on person. Ticket 337511. One count, drove while license not valid. And ticket number SX 2449679. Count one, failed to yield to an emergency vehicle stationary. And count two, no operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant, sir, state your name.
Terrell Wilson.
Thank you, Judge. These matters are here for pre-trial.
We can't hear you real good, Attorney Goffman, at all.
Can you hear me better?
Now we can, yes.
These matters are here for pre-trial as to any matters for which the defendant is here for an arraignment or for which there is a warrant. Please recall the warrant and accept a not guilty plea on behalf of the defendant. Judge, those additional cases were not part of the plea offer discussed with the prosecutor. I think if you would recall the case, I can ask Ms. Snyder to come and get the file and we can get a global offer, please.
Okay, I will do that. So, sir, you haven't been coming to court for a while, so you had some extra tickets that were in warrant status. I don't want you to leave out of here without tickets. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put you back into a breakout room. The attorney is gonna come down here and make an offer so you can try and resolve all of these today, okay, Mr. Wilson?
Okay.
All right, just be patient, okay?
All right.
We don't have a ton of people, but you're gonna have to wait. Go back to room 5. You know how to do that? So at the top of your phone, press the button. Do you see some little dots
Yeah, I
pop
see the
up?
prompt. Yeah, I
Go
see
back
it.
to 5. Thank you,
All right,
Mr.
thank
Wilson.
you.
You're welcome.
Okay, I
Yep.
asked
Yes?
Ms. Snyder to come down for the file.
Okay, thank you so much. India Walker?
Present.
Okay, all right. Now calling the matters of people versus India Elaine Walker. This is ticket SP 1241675, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number SP 11669060, count 1, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman for the defendant. Would you state your name, ma'am?
India Walker by special appearance.
Thank you. Good morning, Judge. Please enter a not guilty plea on behalf of the defendant for arraignment purposes. And I would indicate that Ms. Walker, to her credit, appears today with current and valid documents, specifically registration and insurance in her name. I have sent copies of those to Corporation Counsel, but I am attesting to their validity and to their currency as an officer of the court. And we would ask for you to consider a motion to dismiss as a matter of policy and thank the prosecutor and the court.
All right. Being an officer of the court, having seen valid documents, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. All right, Ms. Walker, you're all set. You took care of the other tickets, so you should be all set at this point in time, okay?
Yes, ma'am. One more thing, Your Honor.
Yes,
There has to be noted a change of address. It is no
Oh.
longer 10,015 Mark
Okay,
Twain.
ma'am. Ms. Walker, this is live on YouTube. I don't want people knowing your personal business. You want to give my courtroom a call?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I wanted to stop you before because I don't want you to tell all your public business on here, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. You want me to give you our phone number, ma'am, and you can give us a call?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me know when you're ready. Thank you, though, Ms. Walker. I appreciate it.
All right. What's the phone number?
313-965-2293, okay?
All right. Thank you so much, both of you.
Thank you so much. You have a great rest of your day, okay, Ms. Walker?
You too. Thank you both.
All right. All right. Bye-bye. I'm bringing in Messiah Waddington. Messiah Waddington?
Yes.
Ma'am, you need to take off the bonnet for court, okay?
I have something going on with my scalp.
Your Honor, would you permit this individual, if the bonnet is not for religious purposes, but she does have a medical condition with respect to her scalp.
I'll allow this one time.
Thank you.
Now calling the matter of People versus Messiah Waddington. This is ticket SP 1383030. Count one, driver's license never required. Count two, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Count three, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Your Honor, Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, state your name for the record.
Messiah Watlington.
Thank you, Judge. We're here for a pretrial, and there is a recommendation, but I'm afraid that it's going to be negative, have a negative impact on her trying to acquire a driver's license, and she is quite close. In fact, she would be here today with a driver's license, but she's failed the driving portion of the test on more than one occasion. So she's been advised. Ms. Wadlington, I did want to give you some information that I didn't give you in the breakout room. Is that try Kenny's Driving School, Kennie, Kenny Driving School. Judge, would you please adjourn this pretrial and give the defendant a chance to come back with that valid license?
I will. I'll give her until July 18th. July 18th at 8:35 a.m. Now, ma'am, for the next one, if they're still having these scalp issues, you just need to think about something different you can do with your hair wrap, okay? Yeah, I'm just having on and on, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. I'll see you July 18th, 2023 at 8:35 a.m. Bond is set at $0 personal.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. You're welcome. All right, Walter Walker.
Yes, it's me.
Okay, sir. Now calling the matter of People versus Walter Walker. This is ticket number SP 1382967. Count one, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name, sir?
Walter Walker.
Thank you, and good morning, Mr. Walker.
Good morning.
Judge, thank you. Your Honor, the defendant presents today with valid and current registration and insurance. I passed these documents along to Corporation Counsel. It's my understanding that as a matter of policy, they are willing to accept my attestation here and now that those are current and valid documents, and I would move for dismissal for compliance. Thank you.
Being an officer of the court, have received valid documents, the court's going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Sir, make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date in your vehicle at all times, okay?
Yes, yes.
All right, there's nothing further. You are all set. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day, sir.
Have a blessed day.
Thank you so much, sir. You too. Nicholas Washington is coming in next. You know how to get out, Mr. Walker? Okay. Nicholas Washington. Nicholas Washington, can you hear me?
Nicholas Washington.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you asking for me?
Yes, can you turn on your camera for me, please, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
I can hear you, but I need to see you too.
My camera on?
It's not, because I can just see your name. That lets me know it's not on.
I swear I got it on. Hold on, let me stop it. I'm gonna start it again. Can you see me? Could you?
I cannot see.
I don't know what is wrong with my phone. It's not letting my camera go. Because I can see myself. That's why I'm asking.
No, we can't, Mr. Washington. We're gonna continue on though, okay?
Okay.
All right, there we go, Mr. Washington. I can see you now.
You can see me?
I can, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, now calling the matter of People versus Nicholas Lionel Washington. This is ticket SP 1292888, count 3, supply false information and or ID to police officers. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Buffman on behalf of the defendant, sir. State your full name for the record.
Hello, my name is Nicholas Washington.
Thank you, Judge. The defendant previously entered into a plea whereby the defendant, he was sentenced to a number of hours of community service. I'm proud to announce he's exceeded those hours of community service and has sent confirmation to the probation department. And therefore, my understanding is he's entitled for this case to be closed today, and that's what we're asking for.
All right, I did receive confirmation from the department that you have completed 41.5 hours of community service. I appreciate that, Mr. Washington. So with that being said, the court is going to dismiss this. This was a 6 months probation under HIDA.
Okay.
So this matter has already, he did it under Home People Training Act, sir. So this matter is completely dismissed at this time. Thank you. Don't do this again, Mr. Washington. You don't want none of this trouble.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir. So it's dismissed under HIDA. So it's like you didn't get a contact at all, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're all set, Mr. Washington. Thank you for your patience today, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
I can leave, right?
Yep, you can leave. You're all set, okay?
Okay.
All right. Bringing in Curtis White. Curtis White.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Curtis Damon White. This is ticket SP 1430605. Count 1, drive while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1351385. Count 1, defective brake lights. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, drove while license suspended. Also calling tickets number SP 1403511. Count 1, speeding 21 to 20 miles over posted speed. Ticket number SP 1403523. Count 1, drove while license suspended or not valid. Drove while license not valid, not while drove while license not valid. And count 2 of that same ticket is no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Buffman for the defendant. State your full name, please.
Curtis White. Curtis Damon White.
Thank you, sir. Judge, these matters are here for an arraignment. Please set aside any bench warrant. Recall any capias as the defendant appears here by way of Zoom. Please set these matters for another Zoom hearing, a pretrial, Your Honor. The defendant has been advised and he's going to do the better driver's course. And when he comes back, we'll try to work it out.
Okay. So at this time, the court's going to set aside the bench warrants that are currently out there on behalf of your client. I'm going to enter in a plea of not guilty, and I'll set this for another hearing, sir. I'll set it on the date of July 18th. Gives you plenty of time, July 18th at 8:35 a.m. Did you have to pay any bond money for any of this, sir?
No, I didn't even know I had a warrant. I had missed the court date on a Friday and I came that Monday to get this court date.
Yeah, they were all arraignments on bench warrants, so they must have all still been in the warrants. So you must have, what ended up happening was you had 2 arraignments, but you had some other tickets you never handled that were in warrant status. So we just brought them all out, okay?
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna put those in along with these. I'm gonna see you back on July 18th at 8:35 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
All right, thanks, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Bye-bye. I saw Officer Hill return, Attorney Boswell, so I don't know if you want to go talk to him, okay?
We did a plea on the case that he's here for.
Huh? He's here for Mr. Weeks.
Oh, yeah, we counted him here. So, I think I made a request for a plea offer from Alexa on that one. Okay, I do have an offer. Let me go talk to him.
Okay.
May I admit him in?
Yeah.
Okay.
You need me to bring it back in?
Yeah, he's coming now,
Okay.
I think. Mr. Weeks, this is Boffman. I'm gonna place you into a breakout again so we can have a chat. Okay? For some reason I'm showing Daryl Wilson is in room 5. Did we finish that case, right?
Remember, you gotta talk because he has, those additional cases and
Oh,
warrants
that's
that.
right. Okay, understood.
Mhm.
Could somebody please help me and place Mr. Weeks into room 1? Or
Yep, I sure.
2, please?
All right, Mr. Weeks, we're gonna put you in room number 2, okay?
Okay, looking for his name. Okay, he's in 12 now. I'm moving to 2. Going on to Mr. Weeks, please.
Okay.
I sent the invitation for you. Do you see it?
Mr. Weeks, you gotta look at the screen. See, when you're doing other stuff, you're not looking at the screen so you can see the invite so that you can go to the room. Press the top left corner of your screen, please. You see those box pop up where it's little dots?
Yeah.
Go to room number 2, please. Yeah. Are you ready, Mr. Weeks?
Yes.
Okay, let me bring in Officer Hill. You got it, Attorney Bachman, you ready? Okay. Now calling the matters of the people versus Byron D. Weeks. This is ticket number SP 13744447. One count drove while license suspended. Also calling ticket number SP 13744432. Count 1, 16 to 20 miles over posted speed. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. State your name, please, sir.
Leon Weeks.
Thank you, Mr. Weeks. Judge, the defendant is here for a trial. Also here for that purpose is the good officer from the Detroit Police Department. Would you state your name?
Officer Anthony Hill, badge 4598, City of Detroit, 10th Precinct.
Thank you and good morning, Officer Hill. Judge, the defendant is going to waive his right to any trial this morning. He has been advised. The recommendation is here that the defendant would plead guilty to failure to display and limited access 6 to 10. He's going to waive his right to his trial today and plead guilty and or responsible to those charges. I'd stipulate to probable cause as to the matter being dismissed. And
Right,
to
you
the
understand?
sorry to interrupt.
No, you good. Go ahead.
And I also stipulate for the purpose of the plea to the four corners of the complaint and the civil infraction.
All right, sir, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have time? Did you have an opportunity to talk with an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes. Guilty.
Do you understand that by taking that guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial on these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
All right, understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward?
No, I just paid a ticket.
Okay, all right, sir, that's what I mean by move forward. I didn't mean have a bench trial, just move forward with taking the plea, okay?
Yes.
All right, sir, I'm gonna take you back to the date of July 21st, 2022. Were you in the area of Linwood and LaBelle in the city of Detroit driving a Chevy vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were driving the Chevy vehicle, was your license suspended at the time?
Yes.
All right, and also, did you exceed the speed limit doing more than the posted speed, 6 to 10 miles over, sir?
Yes.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
I'm satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, the court is satisfied as well and will enter a plea to the amended charge, fail to display, as well as the amended charge of limited access, 6 to 10 miles over posted speed. Sir, the fine for the limited access ticket is $135. Typically, you have 14 days to have civil infractions. Is that gonna be enough time to pay that?
Yeah. Yes.
All right, so it's gonna be due no later than May 15th, 2023, okay?
Okay, 135.
Yes, I waived the cost and fines on your other ticket, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
All right.
Have a good day.
You too.
All right, Officer Hill, thank you. Stay safe.
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Are we ready on the last one? No, okay.
Mr. Wilson?
Yes, I had got disconnected somehow.
Okay. I'm gonna put you, were you in the breakout room or the waiting room? Have you spoken with an attorney?
No, I was in the breakout room number 5. He said we was waiting on a plea offer from the lawyer or something like that.
Okay, I'll put you back in.
All right, thank you.
Mhm.
You ready, Mr. Wilson?
Yes.
Talk to Attorney Boffman.
Yes.
You ready, Miss Sandy?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Recalling the matters of the people versus Darrell Wilson. We called these matters on the record already today. We took a brief adjournment just so that we could be able to get a better resolution for all of his cases, including the ones in warrant status. May I have your appearance for the record, please, starting with counsel?
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Your name, sir, please.
Darrell Wilson.
Thank you. The defendant's been arraigned and cases have been set aside. There is a global resolution. The defendant is going to resolve that here today by way of a plea agreement. He's been advised as to his rights. He knows he can waive those today. Thank you.
All right, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, sir, put your hand down. Did you put your hand up, Mr. Wilson?
Yeah, I put it up.
All right, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Boffman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
I pleaded guilty of your own free will.
Yes.
I pleaded guilty because you are guilty.
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking the guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today, Mr. Wilson?
Yes.
All right. Attorney Boffman, what is he pleading to?
Failure to display expired plate as a civil infraction and no registration as a civil infraction. And the balance will be dismissed here, Judge.
All right, so expired plates, no receipt of registration, and the fail to display.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, sir. I want to take your attention back to the date of October the 25th of 2022. Were you driving a Lincoln vehicle in the area of Gratiot and Shane in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you're driving that vehicle, did you never have your driver's license, sir?
No.
Did the vehicle also have expired plates?
Yes.
And did you also have no receipt or unsigned registration, sir?
Yes.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
Your Honor, thank you. Satisfied.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of fail to display. All right, and then one count expired plates, one count no registration or receipt of unsigned registration. All right, sir, the fine for expired plates is $145, and the no proof of registration is $105. So that's a total of $250, sir. Typically with civil infractions, you only have 14 days to pay it. Is that going to be enough time for you, sir?
Yes.
All right. So I have it due no later than May 15th, 2023. I'm gonna waive the cost on your last ticket. You may have some reinstatement fees you need to pay though for some of these other tickets, okay?
Okay.
All right, you need to pay those if you have any reinstatement, but just do the $250 by May 15th, okay?
Yeah. Am I paying it to the 36th District Court?
Yes, so you can either physically come down to 36th District Court and pay it at one of the windows, or you can go online to 36thdistrictcourt.org, okay?
Okay.
All right. There's nothing further. You're all set.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good luck, sir.
All right. Thank you too.
Mhm.
Was that the last case?
I think.
That was, I think.